Hello everyone, this is the IELTS Switch recording for the second task of the IELTS writing section. So this is the question over here. In many countries, imprisonment is the most common solution to crimes. However, some people believe that a better education will be more effective solution. Okay, to what extent do you agree or disagree? This is your general agree disagree essay. In various countries, imprisonment is the common solution to the crime. Some people believe that providing education to criminals will reduce the crime rate. This essay will analyze the statement and assert my opinion. Very good, up till now. In the contemporary world, the criminals which are recently caught are well educated. These are immensely knowledge. They are so it should be they. They are immensely knowledgeable about the offense and the punishment associated with it. It should be they, not these. You can write these criminals or they. However, providing education to them, you can write by providing education to them because you are putting it as the initial part of the statement. It is not the subject of the statement. So, by providing education to them, they might just update their knowledge, and through that, they will find a new way, okay, to commit a crime. Okay. Moreover, they will be involved, or they will involve themselves. They will involve themselves, not a D. They will involve themselves more in such criminal offences. More in such, when you say more or in wherever you should say such, you should add an S. It should be a plural. For instance, in the news, police revealed that a group of engineers robbed a bank in Kerala using high technology, and also they were well aware of the consequences of the crime, as well as, okay, you have written and also as well as, so you can say they can split this in two sentences. Like, for instance, in the news, police revealed that a group of engineers robbed a bank in Kerala using high technology. Full stop. They were well aware of the consequences of the crime as well as impact on the society. Not of the society, on the society. So you should have two different sentences here. Additionally, crimes like, not likes, crimes like rape, terrorism, murder are intolerable by law. So providing education to them does not make any sense as their behavior and mentality continues to do illegal activities. Okay, good enough. So the next part is, on the flip side, crimes are held criminals are held less are held due to less control in emotion, right? It should be criminals. On the flip side, criminals are held due to less control in emotion. So, if law enforcement provides them education, criminals will get to know the right and wrong. So, they will be better prepared to avoid the situation. Furthermore, psychology education is important step which helps. Now it is one single thing, that is psychology education. So it helps people to increase their awareness about self negative emotions, comma, which may lead them to wrong behavior. In addition, teaching about community work like gardening, carpeting, cooking, etc., might help them once they are released and able to work in the society. Okay, you can say developing vocational skills like gardening, carpeting, cooking, etc. will help them. Teaching about community work is a very different thing rather than these things that you're talking about are vocational skills. To sum up, I completely agree imprisonment is not the best effective weapon to fight against crimes in a long term. I believe that providing better education is a more essential and desirable, or a durable, I think it is durable solution to reduce crime rate. Yes, the structure of the essay was very good. There are few grammatical mistakes like using the s where you shouldn't. There are about 6 to 7 grammatical mistakes in both this essay, both the parts of the essay. So I would like you to concentrate more on grammar, and other than that, the structure, the thought process, everything was very good. Thank you again for sharing. And to my viewers, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, the IELTS Wish. Like, share, comment, do everything you like, and also follow my Instagram page, the IELTS Witch, for more such videos and interesting photos. Thank you, everyone.